Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first open the settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, mark Wallpapers, and here just choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Let me go with, for example, some blossom, flower. Just pick the one that you like the most. Then mark apply to, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. You can also set carousel wallpaper if you want to, but let me pick this one. Mark apply. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.